Welcome back to Frank Abdo and Winning with Your Investments. Why is the stock market rallying back to all-time highs when unemployment is in such dire straits with 30 to 40 million people seeking unemployment benefits? Because after all, and I've said it many, many times, without people working and spending money, the stock market's in trouble. Well, I believe the reasons are threefold for the stock market rallying back to all-time highs. Number one, they believe unemployment is temporary because we forced people not to work. We forced them into their homes. That's against their will and against the company's will that employs them. So Wall Street thinks, yeah, those jobs are coming back. Secondly, oil prices are coming back. Oil went to $6 a barrel. A barrel is 42 gallons, by the way. Unprecedented levels. Hadn't seen those levels in 30 years or so, right? Well, oil prices, if they're not at $40, then America will not be energy independent and will require their oil to come from oil countries like Venezuela, Saudi Arabia, and so forth. And they don't want that. We don't want that here in this country. Our government doesn't want that. So they're going to make sure oil prices go over $40 a barrel because that's the break even for the industry. And without that number, companies will go broke. And that's simply unacceptable in this country. Oil has been on a bull run since the $6 level. Exxon, the companies that I had recommended in the past, have rallied back as a result of that. There's three companies I'd like to recommend today to you, and that is Apple at $313, Microsoft at $185, and Disney at $117. Reason for these three stocks is as follows. Apple's a juggernaut. Should always own it. Don't second guess them. Don't listen to any of the nonsense that they talk about on television. Apple is here to stay with an installed base of well over 2 billion users waiting, salivating over their new products. I'm one of them, by the way. Microsoft is doing terrific. Their software is growing in leaps and bounds. The cloud computing that they offer and data storage are all doing very, very well. And analysts have noticed and upped their target price for Microsoft to over $200 a share. And Disney. Disney, even though they've been hit by this virus issue, because who wants to be in a crowd, right, at their theme parks, in sports arenas where ESPN broadcasts all these great sporting events? Well, first and foremost, it's reflected in their stock price. Disney, first and last, is an entertainment company, and people crave entertainment. That stock is on sale and will do well, and all of these issues with the virus will be solved, and Disney will do very, very well as a result. Well, that's it for today. Please comment and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode of Frank Abdo Winning with Your Investments.